Hi you all, it's me Maya March and I'm back with another video. I just wanted you all to get into these curls. We are literally about to go on a vacation with these. Let's get into it. So today we are working with the Toyotress Ocean Wave hair and we are headed for a wave. Starting off, we are going to braid the hair down. I just want you all to do smaller braids, and from there you're going to take some thread and you're going to sew that down. From there, we're going to just do what we always do, which is start installing the hair. As you can see, I'm using the crochet needle to place it in, and then I'm just placing the hair on the needle and then pulling it through and just creating a knot. Now, some people do double knot, but not me. I just want you to see a close-up of the hair. I'm using the oil just to keep it all together and keep it cohesive look. Sometimes the hair could get frizzy if you don't have oil on your fingertips. So I love a good oil sheen that helps with keeping the hair looking perfect and with no frizz. So right now we are almost done. We're halfway through. We are getting to the back of the head, working our way to the front. I am doing the same thing. This amazing crochet hair is made from 100% human hair. It's pre-separated for easy installation. The body wave style adds a touch of elegance to any look. While it is lightweight in its reusable design, you can enjoy a natural texture and long-lasting wear. It's perfect for sleek braids and tension-free styles. This body wave crochet hair has an undetectable string, is pre-separated, and is fixed firmly. It has minimum shedding, is super soft, is scalp friendly, and is natural wavy ends. It's cozy, it's lightweight, and it's not stringy or frizzy. It's like the perfect little vacation hair. Go on, catch a flight, change the weather. This crochet hair comes in different colors. It comes in like a blonde, it comes in like a brown, it comes where it's even mixed with like blonde and browns, and it also obviously come in a 1B. Crochet hair is so versatile. It is a low maintenance protective style that promotes natural hair growth by reducing daily manipulation, heat damage, and tension on the scalp. It allows for easy scalp access for cleaning and moisturizing, with the installations typically lasting between 2 to 3 months. It just depends on what type of person you are. If you like to stretch it out, take it all the way to 3 months. I know people that say that they prefer the older crochet hair get. Apparently it obviously looks more natural, and a lot of people thinks it looks way better than when it's originally installed. So sometimes you got to keep wearing it, and after that you'll keep getting compliments and you won't be ready to take it out. So some of the key benefits of crochet hair is protective styling. So the crochet braids keep natural hair safely tucked away under cornrows, minimizing breakage and shedding from its environmental damage. Is low tension and scalp health. Unlike traditional sew-ins, this method usually puts less strand on the scalp, protecting edges and preventing thinning. It also allows for easy access to the scalp for maintenance. So in case you would like to oil your scalp, because we all know sometimes the scalp can get dry. It's time saving and cost effective, so the installation is much faster than a traditional braids or individual twist, as it is often more affordable, saving both time and money on salon visits. I can say in regards to the time saving, it only took me about 2 hours to do this. Obviously I did make bigger braids, so when you do smaller braids it will probably take about 3 hours because you'll take a little bit more time on building your foundation. But this is also cost effective because it is reusable, 100% reusable human hair. So you can wash it, you can condition it, you can cut it, and you can style it in different styles. It has a very natural appearance when using the knotless method or specific high quality hair such as the Toyotress ocean wave. The finished look can closely mimic natural hair, leaving no natural hair exposed. For the longevity, with proper care, these styles can last up to about 3 months, but it lasts up to a year if you continue to use the hair. Now it can last longer because it just depends on how often you're utilizing the hair, but say if you're pretty consistent for utilizing your hair and you'll take the install in and out, I would say that it would last for up to a year. Okay, so as you can see, I was finishing the middle. I was gonna like finish obviously placing pieces in the middle, but something is telling me to make this a side. Like, I feel like this is cute in the middle, and I'm usually a middle part girl. Like, you can see it's pretty fire, but something about this is just kind of giving side. But also, I didn't make a part for a side, so now I gotta fill this in to make it look like a flip over. So let's just see what I can do. So some of the maintenance tips are the nighttime care. You'll use a silk scarf or bonnet to protect the hair, or I sometimes use a silk pillow because sometimes, I'm not gonna lie, I do not always wear my bonnet, and this is not a good thing, but I'm just being honest. So definitely at least get some silk sheets, y'all, or at least a silk pillow. For the cleaning, you can clean your scalp with diluted water and shampoo to keep your scalp super healthy. This can be washed in your hair if you would like. I know some people do that even when they're like wearing like braids, so you can utilize this with crochet hair as well. It's super low maintenance, so the maintenance is generally minimal, often require just a simple shake and go. You can wash it, and if you want to sometimes add like a mousse, I would just use just a little bit to keep it very light, because the natural curls or waves, I guess you would say, will come back after a good wash. But obviously it is human hair, so to place like, a moisturizer on it wouldn't be the worst thing. As you can see, we are almost finished right now. I'm just shaping up my hair, and this is optional. You don't have to shape up your hair at all because you can end up cutting too much. I will say please start very, very small, just taking little steps. But right now I'm going to start cutting into my bang because I'm just going to wear my hair over to the right side. Because last minute we made this into like a flip over, I did flat iron my edges, and it'll just make it look a little bit more sleek. It'll kind of give you that salon finish that you're looking for. And the rest of the hair does not need or require any flat irons, but obviously it just looks better with this little swoop. So if you need, you can leave a little hair out, but I have a lot of edges, so I only utilize my edges. And for those wondering, I am using the Kiss Edge Control. Okay, y'all, we are all done. I am in love with this hair. This was so freaking fire, and it's just so perfect because the springtime and the summertime is coming up, and so we are preparing for going to the Bahamas, going to Punta Cana. Like, this is giving outdoors, going straight to the beach or somewhere tropical. This is a beautiful curl pattern, and I just can't believe that this is my first time wearing it because I don't feel like I've ever had this in my hair, and it is giving all the good tropical vibes. Well, thank you for watching my video. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until later, you all. Bye.
If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending.